Okay guys, so just sitting here working on this boat, and this thing down here was really loose. So I've already taken the nut off the back of this one. I'm going to take and stick these washers and lock nuts down in between it to lift it up so I can get a wrench on it better, and also to add more support because it's a washer. I may need bigger washers than these, but I'm going to give it a whirl. It had none on before, except for this little plate right here. So we'll go ahead and pull that up. I don't know if you'll be able to see in there when I'm doing this, but it's going to happen, and it's way up under here. So I have to contortion myself through there. Okay, so I'm going to stick this washer and lock nut on here. I can't use a deep well socket on this because there's not enough room in here. So I have to do this with a wrench. It was a lot easier to wrench off than it was. I mean, it was a lot harder to wrench off than it was to get this bolt to spin back on. And I'm putting the washer in here to give me more material, so hopefully it holds better. Then I'm going to do the rinse and repeat. I'm going to do the next rinse and repeat. I'm going to do the next one after this. Oh. Now the next one. Okay guys, when you're working on this stuff, liquid wrench is your friend. Pick you up a ball if you have any boat projects you want to work on, or else you may not ever get that bolt off. And the video camera is not only good for showing you, but so I can see too. Lastly, I have to go back and tighten these up against that just to make sure it's firm and it's not moving. For light in that big hole, I use this. I'll leave a link down below. Haven't charged this yet. You see it's green light. It's charging by solar. So haven't charged this in months, and it still shows pretty much a full charge. Oh, I got a bar down. I was working on that for quite a while. So good light, water resistant as long as all the hatches are closed. Now let's tighten this up. That looks much better than it did before. Let's take this boat home, do a strap over because I was afraid it's going to fall off the trailer. Good thing we only live a couple miles from the ocean.
Why did it fall off?
No. It would have. Well, these are really long thread bolts.
Oh, there's the camera. Hello. Looks like it's on it better.
Oh, it's a lot better. Oh. Okay. That's not going anywhere. So, hopefully this was helpful. This is a part of our boat project series. We have... Again. We took off during the winter because
Well, it's kind of cold, and what's the point, you know?
life got in the way too.
Yeah, a lot of busyness.
So, but we're picking it back up. My wife brought sunset lemonades. So this is just lemon and vodka
And water.
and water. So gotta keep hydrated. But stay tuned because she's taking care of the paint on the windows, and we're gonna
I am.
clean them up and get them all pretty and stuff, like pretty windows.
There's a lot more paint on it than I thought. I thought it was just a thin layer of paint on top of aluminum. No, I don't even know how much layers. It's like taking a lot of paint thinner.
It's layers and layers. It's like an ogre. It's got layers.
Yeah, it does.
And y'all stay tuned because we're going to also do a follow-up video to how we like the tankless hot water heater.
Right.
And
Meanwhile, this one's still sitting in our garage. What do you do with them?
yeah,
Anybody know?
it's part of my skit coming, so y'all stay tuned for that. And if you like this channel, subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button right there. Also, be sure to hit the little bell to get the reminders.
Yeah. Ding.
And if you're looking for great recipe, good eats, check out diningwithdanielle.com.
You know, I'm actually making a turkey tonight, y'all. Because it was in my freezer, so I'm making it. It's my juicy turkey.
Turkey was on sale, and so, you know,
Right.
gotta love cheap meat. And check out that recipe, the juicy turkey recipe. It is awesome. It's better than a butterball
Yes.
and a lot cheaper.
Yes.
And y'all, budget. We're always about the budget. And y'all, please take care.
Bye.